guys, welcome to my list of the top cute 3D prints. These super cute 3D prints are perfect for gifts, for friends or family, or for decoration in your house, and I'm going to take you through this list today. Just a reminder that you can check my blog post, which is linked in the description, to find the links to all of the STL and 3D print files for these items that I'm going to be showing you today. As always, make sure you check the license to determine whether you're allowed to use these products for something like commercial use. So I think this one is my favorite in the collection. This is the 3D printed leaf coaster holder. Essentially, this is a holder that holds these leaves, which are actually drink coasters. It's going to look so cute in my home. I absolutely love it. So each of these leaves come out and we'll just push it back. We'll put our coaster down and then we can put a nice drink there. I think this is awesome and a great cute accessory for the home. This is the 3D printed flexi beluga whale. This would look super cute in a kid's room or nursery. Absolutely love this one. And of course it's flexi, so it's a fun fidget toy as well. It can move about and you can reposition it how you like. So here's our 3D printed Easter egg cats. These are another cute accessory that's perfect for Easter, but for any cat lover at any time. These guys open up and you can put a little treat in there. Super fun, super cute. They each have different facial expressions. I love these prints. This 3D printed teddy bear is super cute. It would look perfect in a kid's room as decoration. You could print it in a bunch of different sizes and colors, and I just think it would be the perfect accessory for a kid who loves teddies. This is a 3D printed plant holder. There's the mini version on the top. This is actually just more of a stand on the bottom, but you can print in big size the plant holder as well. I love the geometric pattern. I love how it catches the light here. I printed it with a nice matte PLA, and I think this would look great in any house. It adds a nice, modern, cute design. This is the 3D printed cute toast box. It is an adorable little storage box. You can print the different faces in a different color if you wish to highlight them. This box opens up and can just store whatever little accessories that you want. I got some post-it notes, a glue stick, and a headband. You can choose whatever you want to store in this cute box. I couldn't help but print this one. This is the cute dumpster. You don't usually think of dumpster and cute in the same sentence, so that's why I just had to print this one. Super cute desk accessory to store all the little knickknacks that you have on your desk. I've got some erasers in here right now, but you can put whatever you want in. I love the idea of this cute dumpster. This is the 3D printed leaf soap dish. Super cute decorative item for your home that is going to look great in your bathroom. Essentially, it actually is in two pieces. So the leaf part comes out. This just makes it much easier to clean. Love the modern design. It's really cute. I'm going to put it here and then we can add our soap. And doesn't that just look great? Love this one. So I've got a few figurines to show you here. We've got our cute articulated corgi, our cute reindeer, and of course the mini octopus, one of the most popular 3D prints that my kids absolutely love. I'll show you each one. So this one, the mini octopus, is just one of the most popular 3D prints out there. My kids love it. They wanted me to print one for everyone in their class. It's super cute and it's a great fidget toy. Then we've got the cute reindeer, perfect for Christmas. A nice little accessory for your desk. And if you've got a dog lover who loves corgis, this hilarious articulated corgi is super cute. So this is the super cute dog bowl. This is the perfect accessory to put in your front hallway and then just throw in all of your keys and junk when you come in at the end of the day. I've also included our super cute dinosaur keychain, which I printed with 2 colors here. Love this one. If you have a dinosaur lover in your family, then this cute keychain is awesome. So these are the super cute safari animal bookends. These would look great in a nursery or a kid's room. I've got my Harry Potter collection showcased by them. And there's also the cute cat bookmark. This super cute bookmark will keep your place in your book and look super cute, the perfect gift for a cat lover.